Humans burn food for energy, and the SI unit of energy is the joule. But here in America, we use an older unit for energy called calories. And let's investigate how many calories are in a Cheeto. So we're going to burn this Cheeto under a beaker of water, and you'll be able to watch the temperature increase throughout the experiment. So as you're watching this experiment, think about its efficiency. Do you think all of the energy from the Cheeto is going into the water, or are we losing some to the surroundings? In experiments that we've done in my lab, we've realized it only takes 1.5 Cheetos to boil this water. There's a lot of energy in a Cheeto.